Afghanistan, Bosnia, Kosovo and Iraq. The captain, Eddie Brown, has been in the Army Air Corps for more than 25 years, and his co-pilot, Captain Alex Cramphorn, has been 7 years in the Army Air Corps. Look at that, tumbling head over tail. Throwing the aircraft around the sky. But he spilled his coffee during that manoeuvre. The Lynx is a very flexible aircraft used by the Army Air Corps primarily in the anti-tank role. A role which the Apache is also assuming, and we'll be seeing an Apache from the Royal Netherlands Air Force a bit later on. The Lynx can also carry troops. He's looking at us. I think he's waiting for everybody to wave to say we've enjoyed his display. So let's give him all a wave. There we go. And look at that. He's bowing in recognition. Now we no longer have Harriers. We can't enjoy the Harriers with their hovering and bow, but the Lynx is doing a great job nonetheless. And Captain Eddie Brown and Captain Alex Cramphorn exit to the left. Let me say that the Army Air Corps recruitment team are actually here on the ground. They're down towards the right of the Cliff Park, so down towards the southern end of the Cliff Park, where they've actually got a Gazelle cockpit that you can sit in to see what it's like to fly a Gazelle training helicopter. And there's also an Apache simulator. The Apache, of course, is what Prince Harry is flying, and so if you